Hello, course participants. I'm just going to spend some time with you talking about how to use Padlet and how to create a post for the reflection questions part of the activity section. Padlet is a web-based application that is a platform used as a bulletin board and a way to collaborate and share information between participants. The Padlet option was added in the activities at the end of each section as a way for you to interact with each other, connect with other participants in the course, and expand your learning. This Padlet will be up and for use for the current school year and then taken down June 1st at the end of the school year. To access Padlet, there will be a link provided in the activities section at the end of each section. You may want to bookmark this link for future use. You can certainly choose to return to the Padlet as often as you'd like to see what others are sharing or what other comments are on responses, as well to look to see if your post has any comments. We are going to hop over into Padlet just to show you the layout and how to create a post. This is the Padlet platform. The layout is broken into columns, and there's 7 of them that correspond with each section in the course. To move back and forth between each section, there's a scroll bar on the very bottom of your screen that you can move back and forth to access the appropriate section. To create a post, you can use the plus sign that's underneath the column. You just click on the plus sign and this text box will pop up. You can just write everything into the subject area and post it that way. If you want to share your contact, if you're asking a question of other folks, you certainly are able to do that. You could maybe put that in the subject area and then write your response below. They do have options for you to share a link to something, a picture, take a photo. Not necessarily, but you may have something that you want to share. So for just to show for purposes today, we're just going to type in testing. And then to publish it, you click on the pink publish button. This dropped it under the first column. Another way that you can create a post is on the bottom right-hand corner, there's another plus sign. You can click on that and also create a post. Again, push publish. This dropped it in the first column. If this is the wrong column and you wanted it to be in a different section, all you have to do is right click on it and drag it over to the section that you want it to be in. If you've decided that you want to delete your post or edit it or make any changes, all of that can be done with the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner on the comment boxes. If you click on that, this is what pops up. You can edit your post. You could change the color, let's say, if you wanted it to stand out amongst the other posts. And if you'd essentially decided that you wanted to take your post down, you can go to the very bottom and click delete post. You'll get a pop-up asking you if you're sure and go ahead and delete. In order to add a comment to somebody else's reflection or some thoughts, underneath each post box, there's a faint plus sign and an add comment. You simply click on that, type in your comment, and then click on the pink arrow button and it will post it. Again, you can delete it or edit it with the 3 buttons on the side. If you have any questions at all on any of this, we're happy to answer. Just please reach out and email your course instructor for the course, and happy posting on Padlet.